Hello and welcome to our channel. Please subscribe for more videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to import a table to Arcmap. And for that we're gonna need a database. Here we have a table, a demographic informations for masculine and feminine, and also the sum of both of them. I'm only gonna need the sum. Now select this data and open a new page and paste it as a text format. Now I'm gonna search and find some specific letters and replace it with others. Make sure to delete not necessarily information. After you finish this processing, you're gonna need to save this table as a CSV format. Open Arcmap and open the table in it. Open now a shape file. Now join the table and the shapefile with something's comment between them, like this situation, like name. Finally, we finished. See you soon. Thanks.